Welcome back. Now, we started this course assuming that you already had content that you turned into a script. That is not always going to be the case, and we want to cover how you would very easily be able to take content, specifically PLR or resale rights content, into your animated video. So let's take a look at if you actually had a PDF that you purchased as content. And we're going to start this process in Microsoft Word to open the PDF. So what you would do is you would go to the File command, and then you would then go to open the specific PDF file. You're now going to get a message from Microsoft Word saying that it's now going to convert your PDF into an editable Word document. Now, one of the things you're going to have to be willing to accept here is that the formatting is not going to be the exact same as the PDF, and we're not really looking for it to be, because we really just want the text and we really just want the content. Because again, we purchase this content, maybe it's PLR or resale rights, and we're going to be using it in order to turn it into an animated video. So what we're going to do now is just click OK. And you'll notice down here at the bottom that Microsoft Word is converting. And so in this case, we now have our PDF document that is now a Microsoft Word document. So now, assuming that this is the format that you're going to start working with, we are now going to go through a process where we're going to get our Microsoft Word document ready in order to create an actual script. And typically, in order to start with an easy concept, what we try to do is to go to the beginning of each paragraph and take out the explanatory content. So we keep the first sentence and we take out the rest. So in this particular case, you're looking at a title, we're looking at a subtitle, which we would keep. We would then take out this explanatory content. We would keep the subtitle. Once again, we take out the explanatory content and keep the first sentence. We do the same thing in each paragraph, and we would continue on throughout this document. So what we've done is we've gone through the entire section. We've basically taken the first sentence and kept the subtitles for a section of this document. And all we're going to do now is we're going to take this entire piece and we're going to cut it. We're going to actually go to a new document in Microsoft Word. Now that we have the content, what we're going to do is we're going to paste this document, and we're not going to keep the formatting. So what we're going to do is we're just going to keep the text. So now we have basically all of the sentences, and what we want to do is we want to pull these sentences into the same area and onto the same page. So we now have the content on one page in order to create our video. And we could have started with a Microsoft Word document that we had, but we chose to start with a PDF, and we changed that PDF into a Word document. Now we have something that is workable to go to the next step. So in the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to take this Microsoft Word document and go through a brief process, and we're going to turn it into an actual script. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.